So I want to be changing the standard conventional lights on these, so the reversing light and side light, brake light and indicator to LED. This is a Lexus RX450 2010 model. So I want to be changing the brake lights and also the side lights. So these are W5W in red. It will go nicely with the red lens. This is the reversing light, W16W in white. And then indicators, these are WY21W. However, these are CAN bus compliant and these are not. So these are only 1.4 watts. So these end up flashing as incorrect. So that's why you either need a relay, a resistor in place to actually mimic a higher load, or get one which is CAN bus compliant. However, these are quite long. So to remove these panels, you need one of these panel removing tools. So to prise open from the top, and also from the top here on the boot liner, you do the same. Turn the lamp away from yourself, so anti-clockwise. That releases it. You hear the click, and make sure you carefully take it out, because otherwise you'll end up losing the lamp in the holder. Once you've got the lamp exposed, it's a matter of just pulling the lamp out of the socket and then placing the new lamp inside of the base and just push it in. Now the trick is how to get it into the hole and for it to fit, because there is a size difference. So push the cables, all these extra cables here, flexes, push them away from yourself so you can then push the socket in, make sure it goes in through the hole, and then push it in. There we go, that's inside, and then lock it into place. Wow, that is notably bright, super bright. And in comparison to a standard conventional, you can also see how this dims up and down, and then this one is rapid, it's a lot more sharper, very nice. Now to release the brake light, again same sort of process, just turn it away from yourself. It's the top one, there we go, and then carefully pull it out. This one's longer, so you gotta be careful with all the flex cable. You don't want it to be trapped, otherwise you'll end up losing the lamp down the side of the panel, which I've done once already. So once you've pulled it out, try and feed it down this gap here behind the panel, so you can then find it easier to work with to access the bulb. So you need to push it down there to get this out, like that. Same sort of thing, just pull the lamp out, nice and easy, and then you're going to be replacing it with one of these. The nice thing is these are like for like sizes too, comparable in size, so it should be nice and easy without getting trapped. So once it's inserted, just reverse the process, so feed it down this channel here, this gap here, and then feed it back into the opening hole, and it should be okay. So that's all done. Then just place the cap back in. That's done, step one. And next one we're going to do is up here. This is nice and easy as well. So now we're going to be taking this down, so it's just push your prising tool in. It's just a felt, nice and easy. These are much more accessible, so we just need to take these out, just rotate away from yourself again. There we go, and that's it. So these are much easier to do. Same sort of thing, just pull it out and put the new one in, and then put it back inside. Just make sure the lugs are located in the correct place to make the job easier, and then just rotate it inside, turn clockwise until you feel it connect. So the LED one's inside, inserted, and then again locate these 4 points into the slot, into the hole opening, and then rotate clockwise, and that's it. And then place the panel in. And then push it in, and away it's done. Okay, these are polarity sensitive, so ensure before you put everything back together, as I found out, that you do need to make sure they are in the correct orientation. Let's pull that out, switch it around. And then I'll turn it around again. You see, it doesn't work.